Stop scrolling for a second. Look around you. Your phone, your car, even the chair you're sitting on. None of it would exist without a silent army that works 24/7, never sleeps, and never complains. But here's the question that scares everyone. What happens when that army gets smarter than us? Today, we're diving deep into the birth, evolution, and terrifyingly brilliant future of industrial robots. If you love engineering and future tech, smash that like button and subscribe to Technifyi. Trust me, you don't want to miss where this technology is going. Let's get into it. To understand the future, we have to go back to the dark ages of manufacturing. Picture a welding line in 1950. It was hot, toxic, and incredibly dangerous. Humans have limits, we get tired, we make mistakes, and in the post-war boom, demand was skyrocketing. Factories were breaking point. They needed a solution that wasn't human. Enter 1961. A robotic arm named Unimate dropped onto a General Motors line. It didn't look like much, just a giant mechanical arm, but it did something no human wanted to do. It took hot die castings from a machine and stacked them. Simple? Yes, but revolutionary. It was the first time a machine replaced human muscle for a dangerous task. Fast forward to the 80s, the robotic boom. Suddenly, robots weren't just lifting, they were welding, painting, and assembling with surgical precision. Japan took the lead here, turning factories into high-tech sanctuaries. They were strong, but they were still blind. If a part was 1 millimeter to the left, the robot would smash it. They needed structure. Then, everything changed. In the 2000s, we gave them eyes, machine vision, cameras, sensors, LiDAR. Suddenly, the robot wasn't just repeating a script, it was reacting. Watch this. This robot is doing bin picking. It looks messy, but the robot is analyzing 3D space in real time to find the best grip. That is a massive leap in intelligence. And because they could see, they became safe. The cages came down. Now we have Cobots, collaborative robots that work right next to you. They stop if they touch you. They're partners, not just tools. This opened up automation to small businesses that could never afford giant cage systems before. But industrial robots aren't just on Earth. They are the pioneers of our solar system. From the robotic arms on the International Space Station to the rovers exploring the dusty plains of Mars, robotics is our only way to reach where humans can't survive. These are the ultimate autonomous machines, making decisions millions of miles away from their programmers. On a different scale entirely, robotics is entering the human body. Surgical robots allow doctors to perform complex operations through tiny incisions with zero hand tremors. And in the lab, we are developing nanobots, microscopic machines that could one day swim through your bloodstream to kill cancer cells or repair damaged tissue. The macro is meeting the micro. Now, we are entering the thinking phase. With AI and deep learning, robots are teaching themselves. They run simulations overnight, learning millions of iterations in hours. They detect defects we can't see. They predict when they'll break down before a gear even slips. They are optimizing their own code. Think about that, machines improving their own design. So, the million-dollar question, are they coming for your job? Comment yes or no below right now. I want to see what you think. But it's more than just jobs. It's about ethics. As robots get more autonomous, who is responsible when something goes wrong? We are writing the new 3 laws of robotics in real time. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're migrating. We don't need spot welders anymore. We need robot programmers. We need systems architects and AI trainers. The tool has changed, so the worker must change too. In the future, every engineer will need to be part roboticist. Automation knowledge is the new literacy. We're heading towards lights-out manufacturing. Factories that run in the dark, autonomously, shipping products to your door without a single human touch. It's efficient, it's cheaper, and it's inevitable. These smart factories will be able to pivot their production in minutes, responding to global trends faster than any human-run plant ever could. And soon, they won't just be arms bolted to the floor. Humanoid robots are the next frontier, walking into spaces designed for us, using our tools, climbing our stairs. They are designed to fit into our world, rather than forcing us to build a world around them. This is the ultimate integration of machine and human environment. For the engineers and students watching, don't fear the machine. Master it, learn the algorithms, understand the kinematics, and dive into the data. The people who can speak the language of robots will be the ones designing the world of 2050. The opportunity is massive, and it's yours for the taking. The revolution of 1961 was just the warm-up. The real age of robotics is starting right now, and you are living through it. The question is, will you watch it happen, or will you be part of building it? Robotics isn't just about steel and silicon, it's about the limit of human imagination. If you enjoyed this deep dive, check out our video on the future of AI right here. It connects everything we've talked about today. Don't forget to subscribe to Technifyi for more tech breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious. We'll see you in the next one.